Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down in order to find either passwords and accounts or Google section. It's basically up to you which you prefer, but I want to use the passwords and accounts, so let me tap on it. Now let's take a look at this accounts for owner, and we do not have any previously added Google accounts, so let's start this tutorial with adding one. Let's tap on add account and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation, and from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. And a quick disclaimer, you do not have to enter the full email address, just the very first part of it before the @ symbol, because after tapping on next, your device will simply autofill it. So right now we have to enter the password, and let me do this out of the screen. Alright, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept, and if you want to learn more about the Google backup, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So as I said, let's tap on accept, and as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Of course, you can always remove it, basically whenever you want to. Just tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will be immediately removed. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.